Hey guys, it's me, Chris, over at investingwithchris.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan for stocks that are about to explode. This scan works really good with penny stocks. Penny stocks are normally under $10, and I want to make one thing clear. Penny stocks are often guilty of creating millions and millions of dollars worth of campaigns, or just one campaign every so often, to be able to draw interest into their stock, and that drives the price up, and then they unfortunately fall back down to where they originally started at, sometimes pennies or sometimes a few dollars. But anyways, that's where these pump and dumps originate from. They also originate from short sellers being forced out of their positions, and investors or traders typically pump the stock up to get the short sellers, like I said, forced out of that position, because the short seller is only allowed a limited number of days or a limited time from their broker to borrow shares to short. And if you don't know what shorting is, you can find it anywhere on Google by searching for Investopedia. But basically, shorting is selling this high. You don't actually have the shares, and then when it drops in price, you're buying it back down for a profit, and then you give the broker back their side or their difference, and you take the difference of what you owe your broker and what you made, or vice versa. If you lose, which typically has been happening lately with Wall Street bets, where traders are pumping the stocks up and forcing their short sellers out of their position for losses because they have to buy back at a much higher price than they sold it for. But anyways, I want to show you FINVIZ. This is a good website. I've been using it for quite some time now, and it is free, but obviously it does have ads. But you'll go over to finviz.com and then Screener. These are the filters that I use to find my stocks early in the morning. Always do your due diligence. But right here, market cap, I go with micro cap stocks, 50 million to 300 million. And then relative volume means trading over 2 times more than what they have been by the ratio between current volume and 3-month average intraday adjusted. Over 2, shares outstanding, which is shares outstanding represents the total number of shares issued by a corporation and held by its shareholders. That will be under 10 million. The float, what does float mean? We hover over that. Float is the number of stock shares that are available for trading to the public. This doesn't include shares held by insiders, and that is under 10 million. And then obviously you have the price under $10. You can go up to anything you want to trade right here. I stick to 10, and then you hit charts, and it will give you the charts for ARDS, CRT, HNN, or HNNA in this case. These are the 3 that have popped up under these guidelines and rules. So if you want to take a look, you can zoom in these by clicking on them. This is what Hennessy Advisors is currently trading at, and it also gives you the chart, the moving averages, the channel lines, everything. So does Hannah look like a good setup? It looks like it will pump soon up to around 10, 11, 1150, so on and so on, as you can see by the chart. Not necessarily that it's going to, but it's a good indicator that it possibly will. You can also see the lows. We are trending at a much higher low each time. So that's a good sign that Hannah or Hennessy Advisors may take off again shortly. Just hit the back button and we can look at the others. CRT and ARDS. As you can see, this one, Artist Pharmaceuticals, looks like it's more on a downtrend. So I myself probably wouldn't be in this stock, but obviously what goes down must come up, what goes up must come down, vice versa. So that could be a good indication that this thing could go up to the north side here in the short upcoming time. There is a gap right there, gap up from 5 to 6. And then CRT, this is trending on an uptrend. But it looks like it might fall back down. As you can see, it's... So, anyways, guys, I want you to do 2 things. I want you to hit the like and subscribe button so you can always be informed when I come out with a new YouTube video. But I also want you to try and at least join our Discord server. Like I said, it is members only, but we are offering a free lobby where we'll give free one free alert each month so that you can build your portfolio and see how we do. But anyways, guys, always do your due diligence, and I will see you next time.